Well, hello everybody. It's been a while since I've had any videos, and right now I am on a trip, a little kind of a smaller trip. And as you can see behind me, I'm on a different mode of transportation. I'm in a van. So I started out about, what was it, about 5:30 a.m. I think it was, something like that. And I drove down somewhere. But anyways, right now let's take a look and see where I'm at here. I'll flip this around. You can see there's some information over there. We'll go over there and take a look at it in a little bit. Looks like I'm kind of out in a remote area. There's still some vehicles around, and there's a trail over there. So anyways, I am going to be calling this trip, this is my first solo van trip, so I think that's what I'm going to call this playlist. Yeah, hit a fly. There's been a fly bothering me the whole drive down here. I've been driving about 4 hours right now. But anyways, it's a little windy out, but that's how it always is. So anyways, let's get out and see where we're at. Decided to grab the binoculars. I usually don't have the binoculars with on a trip because usually I like on my motorcycle, and I really don't want to have to take up the room. So anyways, let's take a look at where we're at. Let me hold that. Spirit Mound, Historic Prairie. Welcome to Spirit Mound, Historic Prairie, South Dakota, Department of Game and Fish and Parks. Alright, and look at that. Lewis and Clark National Historic Trail. So, obviously Lewis and Clark must have been here. Now let's go over there and take a look at the information billboard over there and see what that says. Alright, Lewis and Clark visit Spirit Mound. There's a painting depicting the visit. Herds of buffalo. Okay, so they visited on August 25, 1804. They had heard that little people with deadly arrows inhabited the mound. They did not find little people. They saw their first big herds of buffalo, as well as elk, burros of either badgers or prairie wolves, coyotes, meadowlarks, swallows, and the first bat they have seen on the expedition. Suffering from heat and thirst, they walked back to the river. Okay, there's a painting of Spirit Mound. Okay, and look over that direction. There's Spirit Mound. I'm going to take a walk up there down this trail. Oh boy, I didn't know it was going to be quite as far as it looks. Anyways, I'll see what this says. This trail leads to the summit of Spirit Mound. Okay. Clear days. The summit offers views far away of the Big Sioux River to the southeast, James River, and Nebraska Bluffs. So 0.8 miles. Okay, it's not too bad. I can do that. Neither water nor shade between here at the top. Okay, there's a little map of it. And here at this park they have a picnic shelter. There's a little pit toilets there. A little small parking area. Also, they have a brochure that I grabbed. I haven't looked at it yet. I'll probably maybe page through that on my way up. But basically, this is like a reconstructed prairie, tall grass prairie, because it was farmed and stuff and grazed on. Okay, heading to Spirit Mound. Another interpretive sign. There's a picture of a Sioux camp near Yankton. Got the sun behind me. Okay. I probably won't pronounce things correctly, but Canotina Paha, Mountain of Little People. I'll go with that instead. Okay, it was a sacred place area tribe as long before first settlers arrived here from the east. A Mountain of Little People. Yeah, it should be on this side. With bad medicine to see the Canotila, or little people. A person who encountered one of them or who was wounded by their arrows necessarily consulted a spiritual healer. The person ignored this warning, he or she would face a serious problem or even death. There's a Yankton Sioux chief. Beautiful day today, but we got that South Dakota wind. That's probably for, see if I can kind of get the phone out of the wind. Probably not, but that's probably for geocaching. That's my guess. I'm not doing that though. But let's take a look around. Let's see what it looks like from the top here. Kind of zoom in a little bit. You have to excuse the wind. That's just how it is. Yeah, really beautiful. And at the time when they were up here, Lewis and Clark, most of the trees, it was basically treeless. From up here, they said they could see like one tree, except over where the Missouri River was, right along the river. I think it's off of that direction, I think. Okay. Down the hill. Okay, the wind is incredible here. Anyways, this is the top of Spirit Mound. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go down to the van and close this video, or close this visit out. Or I can talk without the wind affecting. Okay. We're heading back down to the van. All right, back in the van, out of the wind. Yeah, it's really something, Spirit Mound. And I read, it wasn't in the brochure, it's that those little people were like, had large heads, and what it said was like 18 inches tall. That's what that brochure said. I think that's what where I read it. But anyways, yeah, Spirit Mound. This is a traveling day. So this was just a quick stop, but it was here a little bit longer than a quick, I think. But anyways, since it's a traveling day, I'm going to go take and continue down the road and take one last look at Spirit. There it is. Okay, I was up there. Lewis and Clark was up there in 1804. Wow. Okay, let's hit the road. All right, after a long drive, I am at my next stop. And, well, where do you think I am? I'll show you. Let's see, this kind of looks familiar, doesn't it? Yeah, that's right, Waldrug. And I'm sure you know what I'm going to be doing here. So let's get to it. Buffalo burger. Yep, here I am at Waldrug. Had to stop in for that. So I'm going to take and enjoy that. Yeah, here it is. It's September now. September 29th. There's far more people, or far less people here now than last July, but far more people than last January, right after New Year's. Well, and of course, we gotta take a look at the price. All right, $21.78. I believe that is the same price that it was last July, so that's no surprise. So, all right, I'm gonna chow down now. Talk to you later. Nope. Even the cups taken down. Wow, everything's closed off back here basically. Wow. They just haven't closed the gates yet. Man alive. Store hours, let's take a look at that. Oh, wow, just made that. Yeah, they're all closed at 6. Wow, 7 p.m. So, wow. Yeah. Yep, hardly anybody here now. Okay, head to the van and hit the road. But first, one last look at Waldrug. September 29th, 2022. Okay, here we go. Well, that was a quick walkthrough of Wall Drug. It was pressed for time because they were going to close now. Plus, I always also want to hit the road and get to where I'm camping tonight. So, anyways, I'm going to head down the road now, and we'll talk to you later. Probably at the campground will be the next place. So, all right, talk to you later. Okay, I am at camp. I made it here. It was a long drive today, and yeah, I got to see Spirit Mound and stopped by Wall Drug, and besides that, a whole lot of driving. So, anyways, of course it's dark right now. It's coming on to 8:30 right now. So, I think I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I think, and it's been a long day, so I want to get to bed. So, anyways, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. Yeah. Well, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's going to be an interesting one. It should be pretty good, I think. So, and I have to get up really early in the morning for it too. So, anyways, probably it. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll just leave it at that right now because I'm not totally 100% sure what I'm going to be doing after I do what I was planning to do tomorrow. But stay tuned for tomorrow's video so you can see what that is. And thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.